Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by installing the font so Vscode can use it. Install the OTF or TTF at the system level, double-click or use your OS font manager, because Vscode reads system fonts. Once done, restart Vscode to ensure the editor detects the new family. Make sure you note the exact font family name. Sometimes it differs from the file name. If you plan to sync settings, confirm the font is present on all machines so your configuration stays consistent. Now you change Vscode settings directly in Settings, JSON to target the new family. Open the command palette and choose Preferences, Open Settings, JSON, Set Editor. Font family to the exact font name, followed by safe fallbacks like monospace. You can enable ligatures with Editor, font ligatures and adjust Editor, font size and Editor, line height for readability. Make sure to wrap multi-word names in quotes and include a fallback list so the editor remains functional if the font is unavailable. Finish by verifying the font appears correctly. Open a sample code file and inspect characters, spacing, and ligatures. If something looks off, use Help Right Arrow Toggle Developer Tools to check for CSS errors or missing font family entries. Make sure the installed font name exactly matches the string in Settings, JSON, and that you restarted Vscode after installation. If issues persist, reinstall the font or clear font caches on your OS. This usually resolves font discovery problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.